With so much information available on the internet, still many people struggle to find out how to start a dropshipping business. I have been in the industry since last 6 years and I have generated over millions of dollars in sales and spent thousands of dollars on marketing. If I would have to start again today, I will follow these exact steps. First step is to find a product. You can find these products on AliExpress, you can find these products on TikTok, or you can find these products using other tools. Second step is to build a website using Shopify. Third step is to market that product using paid advertising or free traffic. And fourth and last step is to analyze what is working and how to build a sustainable passive income through it. This is the most crucial step, why most people fail and they end up losing their business. So I have been using that cell phone to record my video. I will just take out that cell phone and will show you how you can find out the winning products on TikTok. On TikTok, search for Amazon finds or trending products. Let's say I search for Amazon finds. So products coming out are mostly Amazon affiliate products. They are basically earning commission by promoting Amazon products. I have a separate video about that. You can find the link in description. Now these products can be dropshipped as well. While you create any video of product, you can mention to check link in bio as mentioned in this video. And that will be your Shopify store link. While putting the video of any product, always mention the pin points of your product, like how you can use that product, which problem is it going to solve, how to order, and what is the exact price of that product. You can also check trending videos of different products as well. This is basically called reverse sourcing. You can check comments and reviews of that product, but make sure product is not saturated, and you can target your audience through organic marketing. Organic marketing is all about understanding the human nature. Just think about yourself. Which product you will order if you are facing a certain problem. If you are able to understand this human psychology, you will make great sales on your Shopify store. And you can use AliExpress as well. There are a bunch of suppliers and products on AliExpress. Now all the products which are getting promoted on TikTok, they are almost sourced from AliExpress, from Zendrop, and from Amazon. You can visit the AliExpress website and these products have videos of that products as well. Let's say if I found out this product, so this is basically a dog brush which is selling for almost $1 on AliExpress, and if I go to Amazon, so here it is selling for almost $11, for almost $7. And you can check almost 700 are sold out in the last month, and 4,000 units of this dog brush has been sold out in the last month. There are different suppliers on AliExpress which are shipping directly from their US warehouses, and you can check those information on their product pages. If you find out a supplier which can ship your product directly from US warehouse, your shipping time will be much faster than China. You can also use Zendrop as well. Zendrop is basically a US dropshipping app which has the millions of unique products, and all the suppliers are based in US. They will ship your order directly from the US and it will be delivered in 5 to 8 business days. You can also use Amazon as well to order a few samples of your products, but you will not use for that long time. Because many suppliers on the Amazon, they are sourcing the products directly from the China, so you will not be able to beat the price. But instead, just to create a video of your product, you can just order from Amazon and you can create videos of that products and put that on your TikTok or Instagram page. And once your videos goes viral, and if you want to order the quantity in bulk, you can use AliExpress or Zendrop. Now, once you have found a winner product, the next step is to build a website. For that purpose, we will be using Shopify to build our website. Shopify is basically a software which you can use to build your own dropshipping website. For that, I will take you to my laptop screen. Open the website shopify.com. Just go to start free trial. Here you can select an online store. Just click to next. So basically it will ask you to select an option, but you can skip all of these steps, or you can select which option is most suitable for you. You have to choose your country or region, then click on the next. You can simply sign up with the email, or you can sign up with Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple ID. Now once you sign up, it will start creating your store. Okay, so this is basically the dashboard of your Shopify store. In order section, you will be able to manage order. In product section, you will be able to add products. You can also check your customers. You can also check analytics from where you are getting your customers, from where you are getting different visitors on your website. You can also create discounts as well. By going into discount, you can create discounts which you can offer to your customer, like 10% off, 20% off. Now I will go into online store, and by going into theme section, I will show how you can build your own Shopify store. You can check different themes. Yeah, there are plenty of free themes as well, or you can get paid themes by visiting the theme store. You can also add blog posts. You can also add different pages. You can also add navigation. You can also create the navigation, which is called the menu, like your home, your products, your collections. So instead, I will recommend you to start with a free theme. You can install Dawn theme. I have just installed the Dawn theme, and I will show how you can build your website using that theme. So this is basically how your website will look on desktop, because we are viewing the desktop version at the time. You can also check how your website will look on mobile. This section has all the blogs which you need to put on your website. You can also customize your logo. So you will be able to use that section to customize your website. This is basically the announcement bar. You can use that to announce any information like free shipping or your discounts or anything. In header section, you can put all the information about your header, like your logo, your menus, and each and everything. So once you click on change, you will able to select the menu which you have created in navigation. Also, you will be able to select different color scheme of your store. You will be able to select your country, and you can also change your logo position for your store as well. Here you can also add your social media pages, and you can also put your store logo here. First, go to canva.com. You can create your brand logo from here. Just click on the logo. You can create free logo from Canva. It's a free tool you can use to create your store logo. You can also edit the image. You can also edit the text. You can also edit the design as well. So after creating your logo, you can download the same logo with the same background, or you can download the logo with the transparent background as well. Now once you have created your logo, simply go to the logo section and upload your logo. Now you can customize your whole website by going into section, or you can simply remove all of these sections. You can also add section of your choice as well by going into add section. You can also add feature collection, feature product, collection list. You can also add something about your brand. You can also add image with text. You can also add image banner. You can also add a slideshow, a multi-column to show reviews, collapsible content for FAQs. You can also add email sign up. You can also add contact form. If you are going to add blogs about your products, you can add them here as well. All of these sections and any graphic design work, you can use Canva to create your design by simply going into create a design. You can create your own custom size, or you can select different sizes available already in the Canva. Now once you have finished the designing of your website, you can go into setting and you can select your payment gateways, which payments you are going to accept. By going into payments, you can select your desired payment gateways, like you are going to use Shopify payments, or you are going to use PayPal, or you are going to use Stripe, and there are plenty of other payment gateways which you can enable on your Shopify store. You can also customize your checkout option as well. You can also update shipping and delivery options. You can also add different markets. You can also add your domain as well. You can buy a new domain, or you can connect your existing domain. And by going into product section, you can add your products which you have already find out, or you can find products to sell. And by going into the product section, you can add your own products which you have already find out, or you can find products to sell. And once you go into the finding products section of Shopify, you will see there are plenty of options: dropshipping, print on demand. If you buy into the wholesale, if you want to find suppliers, Zendrop is here, AliExpress is here, CJ dropshipping is here. Printful is an app which you can use to print on demand product. Printify is another app, same like Printful. And there is Pocket as well, which has US and EU suppliers. Once you have finished designing your website, the next step is the marketing. There are two types of marketing. The one is free marketing and the other is paid marketing. Free marketing consists on creating content, like if you are creating TikTok videos, if you are creating Instagram videos, or you are creating YouTube videos. Creating videos of your products on all social media pages will cost you nothing. But on the other hand, if you are going for paid marketing, that can be Google marketing, that can be Facebook marketing, or paying to the influencers to promote your products. So if you have started a dropshipping business, it's mean you are short on your budget, you can go for a free marketing. And I would recommend you to start with the free marketing if you are doing a dropshipping business. If you are going into 3PL and you don't have any budget issues, you can go for paid marketing on Instagram, Facebook, and Google. So what's basically a 3PL? 3PL is third-party logistic. For dropshipping business, TikTok videos are trending nowadays. You can create free videos of your products and you can put them on TikTok. For the paid advertising, make sure you check the Google Trends and always check what people are searching for. If people are searching for your product, you can go for Google Ads. Google also has a feature of Google Shopping as well. Once you pay for Google Shopping, Google display your product ads on the Google. TikTok also has announced their TikTok Seller Center. You can create your own TikTok shop and you can make videos of your products. Even other people can promote your products by tagging your products on TikTok account. So once they mention your products and they tag your products, if anyone is going to make a purchase on their video, you will have to pay a commission. And you can enable this in your TikTok Seller Center shop, like how much percentage you are going to pay to the influencers who are promoting your products. Fourth and last step is to build a sustainable passive income through your dropshipping business. What you have to do is to convert your dropshipping business into your brand. And for this, you can use your profits to buy the products in wholesale and put them in 3PL warehouse, so that your shipping will be fast and you will be able to get more good reviews on your products from your customers. And once your shipping is fast, now you can earn more margin by putting your price a bit higher. So make sure you have an eye on your finances, what your store is making, how much you are putting into ads, how much you are paying to 3PL warehouse services if you are using them. All of these finances should be streamlined so that at the end of the day, when you calculate your profits, you should be earning at least 20 to 30%. Once you reach at the brand level, you will be able to earn higher commission and you will be able to list your products on different platforms, which are Amazon, eBay, Facebook Marketplace and other marketplaces. So if you are using 3PL warehouse services or your own warehouse, you can ship your products directly to all of these marketplaces. In that way, your revenue will be higher and you will be able to build a more passive, sustainable income. I hope this video will help you to build your own dropshipping business. If you have any questions, please mention them in the comments and I will be happy to answer those. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel and like the video, as it will help us to grow the community. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back with another video soon. Bye bye.